Place of supply of services under GST. Goods and service tax is based on the concept of supply. It's a destination based consumption tax. If services are rendered in Mumbai from Delhi, whether CGST and SGST or IGST will be paid. How to determine the place of supply of services? Such provisions are contained in Section 12 and 13 of IGST Act. First, why is it necessary to determine place of supply of services? Determination of place of supply of service will tell us which tax shall be levied on the tax invoice. If supply of service is in the same state of service supplier, then CGST and SGST shall be levied. But if place of supply of service lies in some different state, then IGST shall be levied on the invoice value. Also, if place of supply of service is outside India, in such a case, GST will not be levied as it will amount to export of services. How to determine place of supply of service? To determine supply of services, there is one general rule and then some specific rules. First, the general rule. For supply of services to a registered person, place of supply of service will be location of recipient of service. For supply of services to an unregistered person, but supplier possesses the address of such unregistered person, again it will be the location of recipient of service. In any other case, place of supply of service shall be location of supplier of service. Now what's the specific rule? Specific rules are service centric. For different type of services, separate method of determining place of supply of service has been provided. For instance, in case of services related to immovable property, place of supply of service shall be the location of immovable property and not the location of recipient of service. Detailed provisions relating to supply of specific services will be taken up in our next video.